2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross Review. The Eclipse Cross value proposition is in its extensive features list. Fans of Japanese performance cars might be disappointed to find out that their 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross will not be, the truth is, a rebirth on the brand's well-known Eclipse Coupe from your 1990s. Instead, it is a new pint-sized crossover SUV that joins the Outlander and Outlander Sport and Mitsubishi's stable of SUVs. But this new model's turbocharged power and distinctive styling are two excellent reasons to pull the Eclipse name away from retirement. You can observe our first drive article around the Eclipse Cross for the in-depth look. Nevertheless, the short take is the fact we like its clean decor, a big improvement over several of Mitsubishi's recent offerings. We also such as Eclipse Cross peppy acceleration and a lot of standard technology and security features. Unfortunately, its ride quality might be uncomfortable, as well as its handling isn't sporty, perhaps you might expect. Also, Mitsubishi has priced it in such a way which the more expensive trim levels act like what you might pay money for more versatile and polished crossovers, for example the Honda CR-V and also the Mazda CX-5. Overall, though, there's enough good how the Eclipse Cross might create you want to jump in the chance to own a Mitsubishi. What's new? The Eclipse Cross is definitely an all-new model for 2018. The Seisoke may be the trimmer level which makes the most sense to us. It packs adequate technology and active safety measures, along with a handful of minor but useful interior upgrades, for instance illuminated vanity mirrors and also a leather-wrapped tyre. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Eclipse Cross is often a small SUV with seating for 5 that comes in 5 trim levels. You start with a bare-bones S and moving up towards the well-equipped Seisoke. Only one engine is obtainable, a turbocharged 1.5-litre 4-cylinder 152 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque that's linked with a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. All-wheel drive is standard on all, however the base S trim, which can be front-wheel drive. Standard equipment about the S trim includes 16-inch alloy wheels, LED daytime running lights, fog lights, and heated side mirrors. Inside, you will discover a height-adjustable driver's seat, 6,040 split-folding rear seats that slide and recline, a rear-view camera, cruise control, automatic climate control, a 7-inch infotainment touchscreen, Bluetooth, a USB port, plus a 4-speaker audio system. Stepping up to your Seisoke adds all-wheel drive. Next up may be the Seisoke. It adds black exterior trim pieces with black 18-inch alloy wheels. The infotainment technique is upgraded to some 7-inch screen which has a remote touchpad controller mounted near to the shift lever. This system also gets Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, satellite radio and voice controls. Our favorite from the mix could be the Seisoke. It receives a bunch of upgrades, for instance proximity entry with push-button start, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, illuminated vanity mirrors, heated front seats, upgraded fabric upholstery, a leather-wrapped controls, a 6-speaker stereo audio, dual-zone climate control along with a rear seat center armrest. The Sei also incorporates Mitsubishi Connect, to sign up that adds sensors and emergency roadside assistance button and also a remote tracker. It also offers the ability to remotely control climate settings, door locks, horn, lights, vehicle settings, and parental controls from your cell phone. The range-topping Seisoke adds full LED headlights, leather upholstery, a power-adjustable driver's seat, a head-up display, plus a surround-view parking camera system. The Touring package, exclusively intended for the Soul trim, has a panoramic sunroof, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, limited Rockford Fosgate 9-speaker audio system, automatic high beams, and extra precautionary features such as lane departure warning, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. A towing package can be obtained for all trim levels, which adds a tow hitch and also a wiring harness. Driving. The turbocharged 1.5-litre engine provides ample grunt due to this small SUV. It works well using the continuously variable automatic transmission CVT, II. However, the Eclipse Cross isn't very sporty if you are driving around turns. It leans a great deal, sapping driver confidence. Comfort. The ride quality might be surprisingly harsh, and road noise is prominent at highway speeds. We haven't had enough seat the perfect time to make a judgment on the comfort, but we all do appreciate the spine seat's capability to recline. Interior. In higher trims, extensive leather and faux leather produce a more upscale feel than most Mitsubishis. Of course, there is also extensive hard plastic, a whole lot of which comes in glare-inducing piano black. Legroom is a great one all around, but rear headroom is insufficient for taller passengers. Utility. With 22.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the trunk seat and 48.9 cubic feet while using rear seat folded down, the Eclipse Cross straddles classes regarding practicality. It can hold more than most subcompact SUVs but below bigger models like the CR-V as well as the RAV4. Technology. The new infotainment system's remote touchpad is intuitive and simple to use. The central display also works being a touchscreen. A full suite of driver aids and active security features is available, but only should you opt for a pricey package on top on the highest trim level.